Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Confirm your carrier and plan support Volte and HD voice because compatibility matters. Once confirmed, update the phone OS and carrier settings. Make a quick backup first so you can roll back. Next, enable mobile data, ensure airplane mode is off, and restart the device to refresh network registration. If you have dual SIMs, place the primary SIM in slot 1 and set it as the default for voice. These steps unblock the handset quickly and reliably. Now dig into settings. Set preferred network to LTE or 4G and explicitly turn voice over LTE to on, because some phones keep it off by default. Once done, review the APN for carrier defaults and temporarily remove VPNs or custom profiles that can block SIP signaling. Make sure SIM tray and firmware are clean, and run quick network tests. Note signal bars, check registration status, and look for the VO LTE icon. If one step fails, repeat network registration and reapply carrier settings to force reprovisioning. Finish by making several real-world tests. Place and receive calls, send SMS, and test handover from LTE to 3G, because problems often show during transitions. If issues persist, contact your carrier and request IMS provisioning or a SIM swap. Carriers can push configuration profiles remotely. As a final troubleshooting tip, force IMS re-register via developer or network menus, and only if everything else fails, perform a factory reset after backing up data. You should see VO LTE stable once the IMS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.